Alright, so this direction here is NASA. So that's east. Okay, and maybe around there is Orlando too. So anything that's flashing or strobing might be Disney, might be NASA, or it could be Disney, NASA, or the Orlando airport. So it could be an airplane. This direction here is facing south, so it's Winter Haven, Fort Fetch is Miami, and this direction is west towards Tampa and the Gulf of America. So what I'm doing is I'm using the dowsing rods to communicate to a female alien. And she said for me to come outside and that she's circling around my house. And depending on the clouds, we can see her in her spaceship, and she's having fun tonight and she's not busy. And she told me that she could come show her ship. And she's gonna move very fast, and you're gonna know it's not a plane, a star, a rocket, or a flare. Now, I did see her before I was able to turn. She was going really fast around the moon. So I didn't have my video camera out fast enough. And you knew it was, maybe could have been a jet though, because it was really, really fast. But it's a little cloudy. That's what's going on. It's really cloudy. And I told her that, and she knows. I'm trying to see if she's going to show up. She said she's not going to land because she's afraid of somebody shooting her down, the government, with their trash. Let me see, let me ask if she's close by. Are you still there? Okay. Are you coming back around? Alright, are you really nearby? Alright. Are you coming from the south? East? West? North? The north? Alright, so you're coming about the north. Oh, there you are. Is that you? Alright, let me see if I can focus in on you, okay? You're gonna come this way, right? Alright, I see you. I don't know if my camera can see you. Is that you? Alright, awesome. Alright, so let me see if I can zoom in. Alright, so is that can you tap my arm if you so is it you? Okay. Like I said, you're so far away. You're so far away. Is there any way that you can come closer? Alright. Why don't you come circle around back over here? You're too far away, girly girl. You gotta come back over here. I know you're north. You need to go more south. Probably like maybe 20, 30 miles south. You're going west right now, right? Yeah. There you are. I see you in the viewfinder. So is this you? Alright, let me see if I can get you a guidance where I'm at, okay? I'm gonna let it beacon. Green beacon. Alright, I shined a pointer on these little lights to see where I'm at, okay? You got to come closer, south. Because you're too far away. Now you're behind the trees and stuff. I can't see you anymore. Alright, can you go left for me? Alright, can you go right for me? Can you go up? Like, to the south? Can you go to the north? Can you go towards me? So, are you like over the Gulf or something? Gulf of America? You're like really far away. Are you coming closer to me? Okay, well I'll wait a little bit longer. Because you're really far away over there. Where are you going? Supposed to be going, because you see you're more northwest. You need to go southeast. You're going fast, but you're going slow at the same time. It's pretty cool. That's me moving the camera. It's not mounted around like that. Looks like it's coming closer to me, but also moving more west. Alright. That's me moving the camera because I'm trying to hold it still and mobile. But she's so far away. I'm gonna video a little bit when you get closer, right? Because my arm's starting to hurt. Alright, now she's above this tree here. Alright, now she's north. She's not bouncing around, that's me with the camera. See if I can go back. See, you're blinking your lights and you're moving really fast though. Alright, can you come closer to me? Alright, well, I gotta go inside. Mosquitoes and it's getting late.